Hi AOS, it's Chef Zena here, Miss Zena everyone. Today we're going to make blueberry muffins. For today's recipe you will need 3 cups plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 6 tablespoons or 3/4 of a cup of unsalted butter at room temperature, 1 1/4 cup of white sugar, 1 whole egg plus 2 egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 cup of milk, and 2 cups of fresh blueberries, or you can use frozen. For tools, you will need a muffin tin, a hand mixer, a scooper, a rubber spatula, 2 mixing bowls, a sifter, and baking cups for the muffin tins. The first step is to line your muffin tin with paper liners. If you don't have paper liners, you can also use cooking spray. The next step is to take your sifter and you want to add your salt, your baking powder, and your flour. Sifting is adding air into your flour and removing the clumps. Take your butter and your sugar and add it into one of your bowls, and then with an electric mixer on medium speed, cream together your butter and your sugar mixture until fluffy. You want to scrape your bowl with the sugar and butter mixture. Mix until light and fluffy. Now we want to take our vanilla and our 1 egg and our 2 egg yolks, and then we want to mix this until it's well combined. We want to scrape our bowl and then continue to mix until it's well combined. Now you want to alternate between your flour and your milk, starting and ending with the flour on low speed. Now you want to add some of your milk and continue to beat on low speed. You want to add another 1/3 of the flour. Next you want to scrape down your bowl. You want to next add your last milk, turning on your mixer onto low speed, turning it off and scraping your bowl, adding your last round of flour, turning it on and mixing it on low, turning off the mixer and scraping your bowl. The trick when making blueberry muffins is to take a bag and put your blueberries in. And then you want to take flour and put flour in, and coating your blueberries with flours will make them not stick together in your batter, and they also will not sink to the bottom in your muffin pan. You just want to gently go back and forth until all of your blueberries are coated with the flour. You want to add your blueberries into your batter mixture, and then you want to fold them in. When you fold in an item, you're taking your spatula and you're going under and to the top. If you stir it, you will actually burst your blueberries, so that's why you want to fold them in. I like to use a kitchen scoop so that my muffins are all the same size. You want to scoop them into your prepared cups. Our muffins are all scooped. We want to place them into the oven at 375 degrees, and we want to bake them for 30 minutes, rotating them halfway through. It's been 15 minutes, so we want to rotate our muffins and put them back into the oven and cook them until they are light golden color. Our muffins are done. We want to place the muffin tin on a cooling rack and cool for 15 minutes. Now that it's been 15 minutes, you can turn out your muffins. You can serve them warm or at room temperature. Hi everyone, here's our blueberry muffin. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, delicious.